Welcome, here I've got Niteo Tools Titan and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this settings bar. For now we are in the general settings. For now we are interested in this one from the left, so the video settings. And at the first place here we have the electronic image stabilization. So by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.